Not talk about this thing. I would
Take it personally, okay? At the
time I watch YouTube and learn how to make that dish. And I guess
two benefits of mobile phone. Those were in favor.
if there is a teacher in school, why do we need tuitions?
same time, it's making our brains weaker.
Because it helps us to get news or information really quick rather than waiting for the newspapers. Phones, we can do online shopping, which is really easy nowadays. So, what about that?
though we are not like in physical
Huh.
due to some
Like
barriers, but
you use Instagram.
I just love it because I am searching for a new information, new thing on YouTube. I'm getting that information, and the best of the time because we have all the facilities. Let's say if I want to learn anything, I can go to YouTube and I can search and I can get that particular knowledge and information.
Most
Yeah.
of the apps, right?
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
business platform now.
An academy,
An academy,
Vedantu.
PW. It's a business now. It's a 3,000 crore.
Say that it's really also important. Like I'm taking double education from teachers also and from online also. So
I think both team performed really well. Welcome to the group discussion. We are going to discuss a very important topic. We are going to discuss about mobile phone and its usage. It's a need or what?
is it a need or a problem?
Yes, is it a need or a problem? So one by one, you will introduce yourself, okay, and you will say something about this topic, and you can pass on the mic to your teammate. I'll start with Barnali. Yeah.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Barnali and I'm from BMS department. So the today's topic is mobile phone is a need or problem. So I'm for this statement. So I'll talk about for like in favor of mobile phones. So yeah, passing on the mic.
thank you. My name is Jordan Tamang and I'm from BMS, and even I have took the topic for the motion, like about the mobile phone is a need. It's not a problem. I'm passing on the mic to
Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav Sau from the BMS department, and we are going to discuss about mobile phones are a need or a problem, and I'm against it because I think personally that it is a problem because it's in stopping us in various things, and it's making us very lazy.
Hello everyone, my name is Januka Acharya. I'm from BMS. So today topic is we are talking two topics. The one is need of mobile phones. It is good or bad. So thank you.
No, keep.
Okay, no problem. So I just wanted to ask you. Tell me two benefits of mobile phone. Those were in favor, and just tell me two disadvantages of mobile phone. First, I'll start with you.
Okay. So, mobile phones are really important because it helps us to get news or information really quick rather than waiting for the newspapers. And even if you miss the newspapers, you can get it on online. So yeah.
the second point I want to add on this is like it is very easy and helpful for us to communicate through mobile phones, whether it's our loved ones or any other person. It's very easy. It becomes very easy.
Yeah, mobile phone is good, but it is problem also. If we use a long time, mobile phone is harmful for our health also.
Like I already said, kid, it's making us lazy, and for somehow some time, it's making us to believe in delusion rather than being physically active in something.
Okay, so Banali said that it's important to get news and information, right? But at the same time, there is a fake news, there's a fake information which is also spreading very fast. Jordan made a point that it really helps us to communicate with our near and dear ones. But don't you think that it is getting very personal? There is less filters in life. Now life has been exposed. We are 24 into 7 surveillanced by social media. Yeah. You want to make any point? Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Before and when we used to write letters, और we like हम लोग उनके घर जाते थे, बात करते थे.
सही बात है.
लेकिन आजकल के दिन हम लोग के पास फोन्स हैं, लेकिन हम लोग फिर भी तो उन लोग से ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस हो गए कि फ़ोन तो है, कॉल हो जाएगा. दिवाली में एक बार कॉल कर दिए, तब मतलब ईद में एक बार कॉल कर दिए, लेकिन बाकी टाइम
Okay,
हम लोग डिल्यूजन लाइफ में ही जी रहे हैं
सही
कि मोबाइल्स है, सब कुछ है.
I can say.
हाँ, go ahead.
So, okay, so we can agree with that. Like it's very like distant, of course, we can say that, but it's not possible for a person to reach on a like particular place at that time. Maybe there is a function or something, but you are busy with your own like schedule, so you can't help with that, right? In that moment, you can use your phones. So yeah, it's also beneficial. We can't say that it's not like technology is so advanced now. We can use mobile phones and connect with a person really quick. It does not like even letters take so much of time to reach to a person. So so we should not wait for like 5 to 10 days. We can just send a message easily. It will reach the person really quick. So we don't need to wait for a longer time, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, as you said, like it distance बढ़ाता है. So because like I don't think so. It's because of mobile phone. It is also, but like it depends upon the person. Because like if you talk about some other person also, or maybe me, I do like I am far from my home, but I do call them, and I call them in daily basis. And it depends upon the person, I guess.
Well, it depends, but I do think one thing. I have I can't mix it. Like, have you ever had a fight in a phone call?
Not yet.
Anyone? वो मोमेंट पे क्या होता है, डिस्टेंस हो जाता है, क्योंकि हम लोग फिजिकली एक्टिव नहीं रहते हैं. फिजिकली हम लोग का अटैचमेंट जो है, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन या कुछ भी है, वो नहीं रहता है. और एक फ़ोन कॉल का फाइट की वजह से हम लोग और डिस्टेंस भी होता है. और हम लोग फ़ोन कॉल्स में रिजॉल्व नहीं होता सब कुछ, कि हम लोग कुछ बोलते हैं, वो एक्सप्रेशन कुछ अलग रहती है. आप बहुत फेक होता है उसकी वजह से. आप सोचो अभी लाइक यू हैवंट ईटन फॉर अ डे, यू कैन से अ लाई टू योर मॉम और डैड to make them happy. But if they were physically present, what will you do? Can you make a lie? You can't fake it, right? So I do think like it's making us liars too.
Yeah.
Good point.
Okay. Chandan wants to say something. Have a little loud, please. Yeah.
Okay. फ़ोन की वजह से ना हम लोग दोस्तों के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाते. जो हम लोग सामने बैठ के जो हम लोग सामने बैठ के जो बातें कर रहे हैं ना, जो हम लोग एक साथ होके, वो फ़ोन से ना फ़ोन में नहीं हो पाता, वो कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाता. इसलिए जो इमोशन जो हम लोग यहाँ देख के बात कर रहे हैं, जो एक दूसरे के साथ जो अटैचमेंट है, वो फ़ोन में नहीं होता. इसलिए that's
Okay, so in this topic, I'd like to say something that yeah, it's true that we cannot connect with our like in real life friends. Maybe it's not possible to like connect, like all the time. Maybe they are busy or something, but also we can in that time we can make international friends also, online friends. When there is no in real life friends, you can make online friends. Maybe they'll help you or something, and you can make connections with them. So in that case, it's like really important, right? Mobile phones exist, internet exists. That's why we can make friends through online. And I do have online friends, and they're really good, like much better than my real friends. So they are not faker to me. So in that case, I would like to say, yeah, mobile phones.
How do you know they are not fake?
Yeah, I have a same question. Let me just put this point.
Okay.
Okay, so Bernali made a very important point. But right now there is a lot of cyber crime. You never know what is there in the brain of the other people. You can't see. There are a lot of incident we have experienced in the recent past that there are cyber scams, right? So this is a message for everybody, means for you and for you. She has made a very important point. So you have to be very careful whenever you are talking to any online friend. There are a lot of scams, you know about it, right? There are news that somebody has taken money from somebody, and there is a cyber crime, there is a OTP. There is a lot of things going on these days, so you have to be little careful. I just wanted to make this point.
Yeah, it's true that not every friends are like they may not be like real.
Yeah.
But it's like you have to choose wisely. It's not like you can make anyone friends. You
Yes.
have to see, like you have to know them personally. You have to know each other first, then you have to trust them.
How personally?
Means we need to know each other more better. We need to know like information about each other, sharing information. If we talk to them like for months, so maybe we can build up some trust. And even I met my online friend, so it was like a really great meeting.
Did you meet them in real?
Yeah, I met them. Yeah.
I want to conclude something, that in real time we can't fake it.
Okay.
मतलब ज्यादातर हम लोग जब मिल रहे वी कांट फेक इट. वी कैन फेक इट वंस ट्वाइस थ्राइस, sorry, we can fake it once twice thrice, but in the longer time we can't fake it. But what about internet? We can fake it. I too can fake, like, I have two phones.
Do you have any email address? papakipari@gmail.com.
We can fake it. Do you believe what you are in social media you are in real life?
No.
Right? In social media we are faking it. We want to be friends, we want to show them what we want to show them. Right?
Yeah.
We are not showing what we are.
What we are.
Actually.
That's why we love internet. If we give us a reality check, we won't be in the internet.
Yeah.
Like we shifted from Facebook to Instagram, right? Why?
Yeah.
Our parents were there. We got a reality check.
Sorry, come again.
Like Gen Z shifted from Facebook to Instagram,
Yes.
because they were getting the reality check. Their
Achha.
parents were posting their pictures,
Oh.
tagging them. They
Oh.
don't want to show it, right? And
Yeah,
another
but-
thing, another thing. What about like physically we meet, we play, we have creative minds. Like, what about more screen time? It's making our brains weaker. It's have you ever had rashy eyes, sweating, matlab, crying and all? Minor headaches. It's all about phone. It's all about screen time, right?
So you need
It's
to
a-
maintain your screen time.
Like you have phone. What do you do the most? Do you use for calls or for entertainment?
I don't use phone much.
Okay. You use it for important purposes, or
What's your screen time?
what's the screen time?
I don't know. I have to check, but,
But nowadays
mostly
because-
I use it for like both entertainment
If you are
purpose and all.
getting bored, what will you do?
I'll just use my
You will
phone.
use your phone
Mm.
rather than exploring something.
But if
If you want to explore, then also you will use phone.
Yeah.
What do I have to explore?
Mm.
Because it's giving us a reality check that we don't have a creative mind,
Okay.
but we have we have made that phone, right?
फुटबॉल खेलने का बोला।
sorry Jana.
Yes.
Um,
Januka, do you have any online friends?
no, sir, I don't have.
I have international friends.
When using our phones, we are not. We have a creative mind, but we are not understand ourselves. We are using phone. We know already, but why we are using phone to see how to make how to cook, how to teachers are teaching in school, but we are all thinking we have a phone. Why to study in school? Let's go and study in YouTube. No, that is my
Okay,
point.
but I want to add one more point. You said like cooking videos and all. As I stay alone and like sometimes I'm.
Make reels like that.
Oh no, not at all. I'm alone at home, and like sometimes I have to cook, and some dishes I don't know how to cook. So for that I call my mom, but sometimes mom like is busy. So that time I watch YouTube and learn how to make that dish. And I guess a phone helps us to learn, and like it depends upon us how we take it, in a bad way, like we learn the bad things or the good things.
After you learned that
Yeah.
YouTube is helping you, then what do? Will you ask others for to help, or you will just don't communicate with others and just watch YouTube because YouTube has everything, right?
Yeah, it has everything, but like if I want to cook, if like
Most
first
of-
I tried to call my mom. After that the second option was
Right?
YouTube.
No, because it's making our communication more a barrier. We can request them, like, but we know we have a second path. We can choose YouTube
Yeah, yeah.
rather to communicate and disturb others.
Mm.
Okay, so, okay, so about the thing you said, like in schools there are teachers. So yeah, I agree, there are teachers in school. But then if there is a teacher in school, why do we need tuitions? Why do we need tuitions for that? We can get something online, like we are getting the study materials online, right? So we don't need extra money for like tuitions. We can just do it online. Yeah, do we do have teachers in school. Even I did the same thing. Like I had no tuitions for my subject, but I studied it online, and I also had my teachers. So I would say that it's really also important, like I'm taking double education from teachers also and from online also. So what about that?
Yeah.
You said it's good, but you said it is good, but we totally believe in phone. That is wrong.
No, I don't do it.
No, she's making her point.
Like she's saying that mobile phones are a need. We know we are
Yeah.
well, that's a need, but it's a problem too, right?
Yeah.
Like nowadays, have you seen any apps that helps us studying? Most of the
Yeah.
apps, right?
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
business platform now.
An academy,
Unacademy,
Vedantu.
PW. It's a business now. It's a 3,000 crore business, right? Right. But are they beneficial? If it's a 3,000 crore business, then it's helping everybody, right? But it's not. If you are talented, if you are capable, you don't need anyone. Well, you need a mentor, right? But a physical mentor is better.
So
But
that
if you are not talented, but if you are not talented, you don't want to do something, online also can't help you. That's the point.
I just wanted to make one point.
Ah.
So I think that we are living in the best of the time because we have all the facilities. Let's say if I want to learn anything, I can go to YouTube and I can search and I can get that particular knowledge and information. Even talking about myself as well, I have learned a lot of things. Lot of things. I'm telling you. If you see this personality, 80%. 30-40% is coming from YouTube only because it has a very good content. If I
It's
compa-
also depend, no,
yeah, no,
what
let me
we
just
want to
complete.
see.
Let me just complete. So what happens that people like me, I just love it because I am searching for a new information, new thing on YouTube. I'm getting that information, and the best part is that I'm sharing it with my student, and that information is very important for them. Whenever I share with them any information which I have learned from YouTube, they say सर बहुत मजा आया, काफी अच्छी एक्टिविटी थी. सो इससे क्या हुआ ना कि एज अ टीचर मैंने अपना रोल प्ले किया, ठीक है. सो आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि वो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो आप कैसे उसको यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो. मैंने इसको पॉजिटिवली यूटिलाइज किया. मैं ज़्यादा मोबाइल फ़ोन यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ, ठीक है. जब ज़रूरत है तभी करेंगे, अदरवाइज वो थोड़ा सा दूर रहता है मुझसे, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि इससे मुझे कितनी दोस्ती करनी है और कहाँ पे मुझे जो है यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन.
okay, so I'm
I have a question.
okay.
Which app do you use the most?
For what?
In a phone, which app do you use the most? No, any app. Any app.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp you use the most. Okay.
Instagram.
Instagram.
What about you? Zomato.
YouTube.
YouTube. Okay.
And you?
YouTube. YouTube is the most.
And our
See, so you are also using phone.
No, that's the reason that sir has told.
Yeah.
See, I use it for education purpose. Like I watched documentation videos.
Yeah.
What the next news is coming. Other entertainment also. But what about you? Why WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. I like communicating with my parents.
Like it's helping you, right?
Yeah, I mean like though we are not like in physical
Ah.
due to some
Like
barriers, but
you use Instagram because it will help you to become an influencer.
So I don't.
But-
where is the
But
problem?
what if? Huh?
Where is the problem then?
I'm coming to. I'm the coming to. But what if? Don't take it personally, okay? At the end, it's not worth it.
Okay,
Then what will happen? Like,
can
it's
you
a waste of time, right?
elaborate?
Like
No,
if
it depends.
It
that
depends.
If you are getting the learning out of it or not.
yes,
And are you learning from your mistake? This is also important. It's up to the individual. Yes.
that's the reason of the top. मतलब that's the value. What we say?
Problem.
नहीं.
Solution?
Sir,
Debate?
नहीं.
Group
That's the
discussion?
meaning of the topic. It's a need.
Okay.
Okay. So let's not talk about this thing. I mean, I would like to add one more point.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Okay. So,
Let's not go there. Come here.
okay. So I was saying that through mobile phones we can do online shopping, which is really easy nowadays. So, what about that?
What about the local vendors? They are out of businesses. Most of the vendors are out
I'll
of businesses.
tell you.
Let him complete the point. Then you can come.
Tell.
Most of the vendors are out of businesses.
Okay,
Like
okay.
somehow Amazon is offering some local vendor that they can sell their items. But what like Mintra? Their clothes are premium. What about? Have you seen small like Hong Kong market and all?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What about their business? Can you make a like when you go to a vendor you can bargain
Point
it.
he's making.
You can bargain it.
Yeah.
But what if you go to a what do we say there? Sorry, online app. Can you bargain it?
See, I'm
It
not
wi-
talking about that thing.
Let her complete then.
Oh, sorry.
See, I'm telling that if I need to buy something,
Wait,
Like-
let her.
yeah.
Let her.
Okay. So if I need to buy something which is like what do you say that? Like international things, like like which is not found in India. So in that case we can in that we can buy something, we can order it and we can get it.
Right, it's a
Yeah.
need, no?
Let me complete, please.
Sorry.
So in that case we cannot go to this go to the place. Like if I want something like kunafa chocolate, Dubai kunafa chocolate, I can't go to Dubai for buying that. I can just online order it and I can get it in my place. So it's right, it's beneficial, right?
Right. I truly accept that because it's a need, no? We don't have it in our surrounding.
Yeah.
But right now we can go, like we can order foods too, right?
Yeah, exactly.
We are too lazy to go out.
So mobile
At
phone
the
is
end, it's making us lazy too.
Mhm.
Like we don't want to explore.
Mm.
We can have it here if we search for it.
Okay.
Ki kunafa chocolate and all. If we search, we can get or we cannot.
Okay.
We
But
cannot.
there are chances.
Nice. So concluding remarks one by one. Concluding remarks. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Say something. This is the last time you are getting this.
Sir, is it ending?
Yeah.
No, I had so
I'm
many
really
points.
happy because
me
I didn't know I can debate too.
Sorry.
I can debate in this topic because I'm against it because I'm also a phone addict. Okay, I'm giving you I'm telling everything that I'm doing only. That's why I'm against it. Thank you.
Concluding remarks.
Yeah. I'm happy because first time debating. Thank you.
Okay.
So can I make one more point?
You can. Concluding remarks.
Okay.
Nobody will stop you.
Okay, see. Okay, see.
कोई chances नहीं लेना मेरे को.
So the thing is that mobile phone is really important in this generation. We can't deny that because, like, see, music, we can hear music through mobile phones, right? We can hear music through mobile phones, which is really important for us. Like if someone is demotivated or like they feel sad, they can hear two music, I mean. So in that case, I would say that yeah, mobile phone is really important, and not for just one reason. I presented so many reasons, so maybe yeah, even they should agree because they are the ones using phones too. So yeah, it was a fun activity. Like yeah, first time debating, but it was really fun. So yeah, thank you.
So the group discussion was very nice, and like I took a lot of knowledge from the you were against the motion also. But I want to conclude it by saying like it depends how we use. If we use it rightly, then it's not a problem. But if we are using it like in the wrong way, then it becomes a problem. So, thank you. Your point is over. Okay.
I know. I'm saying that yeah, we all did a great job, and my opponents were really good too. So I would like to like
Yeah, in the end of the shake of
yeah,
hands.
I would
yes.
like to yeah.
Yes,
Thank
good
you.
job.
Thank you.
मुझसे भी हाथ मिला लो यार
अरे sorry,
अभी भी
अरे sir,
आपस में ही खेल लो तुम लोग
you are the main. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys.
Okay, so yeah, I will show my okay. So in the end, I think both team performed really well. It was my mistake. I have not told you the rules before, but I'm telling you right now. Whenever you make a point, when you
Okay.
get the turn, then you say something, and if you have any point, then you raise your hand. Right?
Okay.
You can't interrupt because this was my mistake.
Okay.
I'm accepting it. In
It's all
future,
right.
whenever you are making any point, just raise your hand. I want to make this point, and you are writing it. But although, yes, mobile phone is important. Without it, we can't imagine our life.
Exactly.
This is the fact, and you have to accept this fact. But at the same time, you have to use it wisely, as mentioned by Jordan. And I'm the big fan of YouTube, and I'm also the big fan of few of the apps. I really like it.
Yeah.
Right, but at the same time, we have to be play a very balancing act.
Mm-hmm. That's it.
Okay, so can I have a round of applause for this topic?
It was fun.